Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can change the fan speed on your iCUE software. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just open up the application, and most likely if you're using Corsair products, you're also using a fan controller, which will then look something like this. This is where all of your fans will be connected. But either way, you could select something like your motherboard and your graphics card, and from there we can just do the same step-by-step guide. So in our case, we are going to select the Commander Pro where all of our fans are connected. From there, you can simply see the performance of your fan right here. You have your fan 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. And so if you want to edit this out, you want to select the cooling mode or the preset that you want to edit. So from there, let's say that the cooling mode is going to be something like quiet, and then there will be this added preset below our screen. So you just want to click on the edit button, and from here, for something like fan 1, we can edit it into something like where it reaches 60 degrees Celsius. Our fan will be then set to something like 3000 RPM or revolutions per minute. So that's basically how you do this. Navigate through performance, select the fan that you want to edit, and then select this hamburger icon, which will then take us to the graph of our fan. And so just make sure that you also have selected the custom curve so we can fully customize our fan the way we want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.